Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some handbags on Kurt Geiger. If that's something that you're interested in and if you like the Kurt Geiger brand, then this is the video for you. Stick with me, stay tuned, let's get started, let's jump right in. Today I just wanted to talk about a few Kurt Geiger bags out of my handbag collection and different items that I pair them up with. So let's go ahead, let's get started. The first thing that I wanted to talk about was the lovely cute Kurt Geiger Micros. So this is the box that my lovely Kurt Geiger Micros came in, and I purchased a few of them at Von Maur, as well as I browsed for them at Nordstrom and Nordstrom Rack, as well as other stores. If you love Kurt Geiger, Von Maur is a nice place to check out, either online or in store. They had the Kurt Geiger Micros in all the different colors. They had pink, they had lovely blue, all different beautiful colors, the gold of the different small Kurt Geiger micro bags. There's my lovely, beautiful yellow. It's in a beautiful, beautiful, bright summer color. And I love wearing these because even though they're so tiny, you can put your cards in them, all of your debit cards, and they look so adorable crossbody on you in the summertime. They're definitely going to turn a few heads when you wear them. People are going to look at you like, look at that tiny, cute little bag on that lady. So they're so adorably cute. And I love the different colors of the chain. One thing I will say about the chain, I love Kurt Geiger, and all of the Kurt Geiger items are very durable. However, the chain on these are very lightweight. They're not very heavy, durable chains like you would think. So they're not too heavy. They're very lightweight, but they're beautiful colors. Very, very beautiful. And each of these micros can hold several cards, several of your cards. I would say about at least maybe up to 15 cards, if not more. I'll come back and do a what fits in the Kurt Geiger Micros. Another thing that I wanted to point out about the Kurt Geiger Micros is it does have two snaps right here. So that's how you go ahead and close it, is with the snaps. And one thing that I did wish that this bag had was I wish that it had a magnetic snap closure, like on my larger Kurt Geiger extra large Kensington right here. You can see this lovely beauty. I absolutely love this beauty in my handbag collection, but this lovely beauty has two closures, much like the micro, except for the difference is that it's magnetic. So these two lovely closures right here, it doesn't take much effort to close the bag. All you have to do is simply put the flap down and basically the studs are gonna find themselves. If you listen, you can sometimes hear when it finds it and it snaps. You know, pretty basically the studs attract each other and the bag is gonna close because it's magnetic. So it's really easy to close. And I understand why they did that with the larger bag, because you definitely wanna make sure your larger bag closes properly because you're gonna be carrying more things in this larger bag and you don't want anything to fall out of it. But with the smaller micro, you have to go ahead and make pressure to close it with the studs. You know, it doesn't have the magnetic detail with the closure, so you have to go ahead and kind of squeeze it to close it for the item to close. But that's okay. And it does say Kurt Geiger on the back. It does have the branding for Kurt Geiger right there on the back of the micro, as well as the large, extra large, has the Kurt Geiger branding. All of them have that at the bottom of the bag right there. The Kurt Geiger extra large, this bag is like a pillow. It's so soft. It's so squeezable. It's really like a pillow, and it's just really a nice soft bag. I always want to compare this bag to the Coach pillow bag because it's just so squishy and soft. And you can see I enjoy wearing this bag. I match it up with all of my different accessories, and it just looks so cute matched up with different items. It's gonna look really nice, matched up with all of your accessories and with your jeans. It looks really good and really nice with denim. So I love the Kurt Geiger bags, you guys. I think they look so adorably cute in your handbag collection. And next, I also wanted to talk about a few others of the accessories that I would wear with this larger Kurt Geiger bag. I also picked up a few things, and I wanted to say, sometimes you girls, you know on my channel, I'm all about affordability. Sometimes we go high-end and we go luxe with more expensive accessories, like right here, this lovely Longchamp. I'm really feeling the colors today. So I bought an array of different colors that can match up with these different lovely Kurt Geiger bags. You know, I like the pop of colors sometimes. Sometimes you don't have to match the colors up identically. Sometimes you could go from one end of the color wheel all the way to the other end of the color wheel and match up your colors and just have those bright colors. It looks so pretty in your handbag. So this is beautiful Longchamp cosmetic case with the coin purse that would look so nice with these lovely Kurt Geiger bags. Here's the lovely little coin purse as well that goes with this. And you see this would also look nice with the larger blue bag. The larger blue bag is blue. This is purple, but it still has some hints of blue in it as well. This would look nice with this larger Kurt Geiger handbag. So yes, you guys, I just wanted to talk about some of these lovely handbags and how they're going to match up with Kurt Geiger. Now, the Longchamp, like I said, is a little bit more contemporary, mid-range, high luxury range, but also I picked up some lovely accessories from Rainbow and, believe it or not, from the Dollar Tree. Yes, we can shop at the Dollar Tree for accessories and match them up with our Kurt Geiger handbags. Look at these beautiful blues that I found. Now, this is a card case, and I found this one at Rainbow, and this I found at the Dollar Tree. And basically, you could use it as a coin purse. You could use it for your earbuds. You can just put about anything and store it in these lovely little items, these lovely little accessories. And look at how cute this would look with the blue as well. That would look really cute matched up with the blue. Let's see if I can go ahead and get that for you guys. This over here. So look at how cute this would look with the blue. That would look really nice, as well as this one. So cute, right? And these came from the Dollar Tree and from Rainbow. So what I like to do is get my handbag and get my handbag a little bit more high-end. You can get a high-end luxe handbag, and then sometimes you can get some of your accessories from Walmart or Amazon, or even find some goodies at the Dollar Tree and at Rainbow, like I did, to match them up. That looks so cute together. Next, I wanted to also go ahead and show you these two accessories that I picked up at the Dollar Tree and at Rainbow that would look so cute. Look at how funky this looks. They're so cute. Basically, they look like tie-dye, or also they look like Pride. They look like they could come from the Pride collection. You know, Coach is really hot right now with doing pieces from the Pride collection. All the vibrant colors in these two accessories. This one is a card holder, and this one is a coin purse. And I mean, don't they look like they just match up, like they could be with something with the Pride collection, or, you know, something tie-dye? These would look so nice as well with your Kurt Geiger bags. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you how these would look with your Kurt Geiger bags as well. So you can get some of your accessories from the Dollar Tree and from Rainbow, or from TJ Maxx and Marshalls, you guys. Just wherever you find your accessories, go ahead and match them up with all your lovely bags. So today, I just wanted to talk about a few of my Kurt Geiger beauties in my handbag collection, like the micros, as well as the lovely Kurt Geiger shopping tote, the Kurt Geiger shopper. I hope you enjoyed this video on Kurt Geiger. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my playlist on Kurt Geiger handbags, and I'll see you ladies in another video. Mwah!